Hi, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have successfully created our viewproduct.php file. You can see the awesome UI of our viewproduct.php file. We can see here the barcode and product name, category, description, stock, purchase price, sell price, and then product profit also. And after that we can see here the product image. Okay, now let's go back on the product list, and this section and this button work is completed now. And after this button work we need to work with added product. So what we need to do for the added product is, we already know what we need to do. Simply first we will create a new file, and we will give the name of that file. The name we will give editproduct.php. Okay, and you can see here our product. Let me open this page, and you can see here add-product.php file. Just like that, the same form we need to create for our edit-product.php. Okay, so we can copy the code from add-product.php file for saving our time. Let's go on our code editor, and let's create a new file which name will be edit-product.php. Here select first our UI folder. Okay, and click here for creating new file, and here I can give edit product.php. Let's check the spelling. Edit product.php, perfect. Now our edit product.php file is created successful. The same process we need to follow. Open blank.php, select all code, copy, and let's go back on edit product.php, and let's go on category.php. Same process we need to follow again. Add two lines. These two lines we need to every time. Okay, and let me copy this, and let's go back on edit product, and just add above the header.php and admin dashboard. Let's remove this, comment out this, and here we can give edit product. Okay, and here we have the card body, so remove this, save our file, and let's check it is working or not. Let's go on product.php, click on here. Okay, it's showing us some error. Edit product.php. So open our code editor, and what mistake I have done here. Let's okay. I just delete this division, that's why it was showing us the error. So remove this three lines only. Okay, save our file and refresh our page. Perfect, now you can see. Okay, now we can work for edit product.php. One thing more I can change here. I can give success instead of primary. Okay, and save, and open our add product.php, and let's copy all the code from the form. Okay, you can see here this is add product.php file, and the same code we are going to copy from the add product.php for our edit product.php page, so don't be confused. Okay, for saving the time. So this is the opening tag of the form, and let's see the close tag. So this is the close tag. So from the close tag I am going to copy to the starting tag of the form. Okay, so you can see here starting tag of the form and the end tag of the form. So right click, copy, and let's go on edit product and cart body, remove this cart body because we have copied the cart body division from the previous page or add product.php page. Okay, so here I will paste that all code, save our file, and let's see the output. Refresh. Perfect. So now you can see here our added product page is designed successful. Let's go on product list and click here. You can see here the ID. Okay, so what I need to do now, here we will fetch out the data from the database according to this ID. You can see here in the URL the ID is 11, so we can fetch out all the data which belongs to ID 11. So let's go in the database. You can see here our table, and you can see here the ID, PID is 11. Okay, so this raw data we can fetch out from the database on that form on edit product.php file for update the records. Okay, so simply open our text editor, and here from here I will write code. So first of all, here I will create a variable $id, and in $id I will use here $_ get method, and get method inside I will use id. Okay, save. And what I need to do here now, after this I need to write a query. So let me write first, then I will explain you what I have wrote here. Okay, so let me write. Okay, so our query is completed now. What I have done here, let me show you. Here I just created new variable, and I use here get method, and using of get method I am getting out the ID from the URL, and I just use here the select query $select, then $pdo. I prepare a statement select asterisk from table product where PID is equal to this $id. Okay, this $id we are getting from the URL, and then I execute the query, and I just get out all the value in $row using of fetch assoc method. Okay, and let's check. Let's create a new variable $id underscore db. Db is stand for the database because we are fetching out the value from the database. That's why I am giving here db for the variables. Okay, so don't be confused. Then $row and let's write a square bracket because we are using fetch underscore assoc method. Here we are not using fetch underscore object method. Okay, then single quote, and in single quote I can pass PID. Okay, and let's echo this $id underscore db. Okay, and let's save, and let's see the output. Okay, you can see here the ID. Okay, now let's go back on our code, and let's see the form which we have pasted from the addProduct.php, and you can see here the form and the form name. Here I need to give the name attribute. Name I can give here form edit product. Okay, save, form edit product. And for the button, what I need to give here for the button, right, button edit, name button edit product, and here edit product. Okay, save, and the class I can change here. I am going to give here success. Save and save file, and let's see the output. Perfect. Okay, it is added, so we can first of all remove this, comment out this line, and let's save, and let's change the name of the button. It is not added, it is added. Okay, save, and let's refresh our page. Perfect, added product. Okay, now just like that we can show the values from the database in our form elements. Form elements means our text field. You can see here the barcode text field and product name text field, and drop down box description means text area, and this text field, this, and the choose file chooser. Okay, so we need to set the values from the database on that elements. Okay, and then we can change the text, or we can change the image, we can change the category or description or stock quantity from here. Then we will click on edit product or update product. Here I need to give update product name, not edit product. Okay, so I hope this is enough in this video. We will continue from the next video.